If you're managing a digital marketing agency and looking for a customizable platform to streamline your operations, SuiteDash could be the solution. In this video, we'll break down how to customize SuiteDash specifically for your digital marketing agency's needs, from setting up workflows to organizing your team and clients in one place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to tailor SuiteDash to your agency's requirements, and I'll even share some alternatives that might suit your business even better. Let's dive into the first thing you need to know. Customizing SuiteDash starts with understanding how the system works. It's not just a project management tool, it's an all-in-one client portal, CRM, and business management system. The first thing you want to do is set up your client portal. SuiteDash lets you fully brand the space, so your clients feel like they're using your platform. Add your logo, customize colors, and make it reflect your agency's personality. Next thing, let's talk about creating workflows. For any digital marketing agency, automating repetitive tasks is a huge time saver. SuiteDash gives you the ability to create custom workflows tailored to your projects. Whether you're onboarding new clients, managing content creation, or tracking campaign progress, you can set up automated processes that ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Now, let's get into the client management aspect. SuiteDash has a built-in CRM that you can customize to track leads, opportunities, and communications with clients. You can set up custom fields to capture specific information and build custom pipelines to reflect your agency's sales process. This gives you a clear overview of where each client is in their journey, so you can act quickly and efficiently. The fourth thing I want to cover is invoicing. SuiteDash allows you to create and send invoices directly through the platform. You can even automate payment reminders and track the status of each invoice. This feature is particularly helpful for digital marketing agencies that handle recurring billing for services like social media management or SEO packages. Now, let's touch on team collaboration. SuiteDash includes an internal messaging system that's perfect for communication between your team members. You can create projects, assign tasks, and communicate about specific details within each task. However, be aware that SuiteDash's interface can feel a little overwhelming at first, especially for teams that are used to simpler tools like Trello or Slack. But once you get past that learning curve, it's powerful. The next thing is reporting and analytics. SuiteDash offers some basic reporting features, but if you're looking for advanced insights, it might fall short. For more detailed marketing performance reports or analytics on your campaigns, you might need to integrate with other tools like Google Analytics or HubSpot. SuiteDash can integrate, but it does require a little extra setup. Now, the last thing to mention is pricing. SuiteDash is fairly affordable compared to other all-in-one platforms, but it can get expensive as you scale up and add more users. It's important to weigh that against the tools you're currently using, especially if you're only using certain features of SuiteDash. Before you go, I've got something special for you. While SuiteDash offers a solid platform for your digital marketing agency, I'm going to show you some alternatives that might be better suited for your needs. These alternatives also offer free trials, and through our exclusive link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. If you want to explore these alternatives and get started with SuiteDash or its competitors, click the link below to take advantage of those special offers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the best tools that will help you scale your digital marketing agency effortlessly.